Hi babies, how are you? This is your girl Jay. My channel name is J Baby, but my name is Jay for anybody who do not know. Okay, y'all, I have to do the ashy test. You know what I'm saying? I am ashy as hell. Every time I come on here, I'm always ashy. So I want to just get that out the way, just in case if I have to, you know, have these nails up in your face. But y'all, I did my nails, so these are my nails that I did, but I did not do this hand because a lot of you know that I do nails. So this is just a display hand, just for people whenever they want to know, you know, the latest design or what's going on. All right, so as you can see from the title, we have a Heraremy lookbook. It's 2 wigs, and okay, get the ashiness, girl. It's 2 wigs, and they are both synthetic. I did a Heraremy video before, and it was probably a couple of weeks back. I had ordered 3 of them from them, but because it was a human hair one, they wanted me to do it separate. So today it is the Heraremy. This is what the boxing look like. Of course, it comes sealed and everything, but I had to try it on. So this is what she looks like, and her name is TIANA. She has lace in the front. Really nice. She's really cute. She's like a bob wig. And if you can see in the front, she is, you know, bent. I don't know if I want to keep her bent. Okay, so let's get into the specs of the wig. There is the lace parting that you have right there, which is not bad at all. Far as the lace, you're only getting a strip of lace. Just a strip of lace right there. Let's turn on the inside. Out, we have a comb here, a comb here, and a comb in the back with adjustable strappings right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna take the tag off, and I'm gonna go ahead on and pop her on so you can see what she looks like. Okay, she's really cute. Really cute. So y'all, of course this don't match my skin color, but I went on and put some foundation, well actually powder right there. So I'm just gonna pop her on real quick. And she is a middle parting. This lace is really natural looking though, and it's not thick lace. It's not, well, it's thick, but it's not like it will hurt you. You know, it's like really natural. There's a natural feel to it. So I don't want to use a comb. I want to use a brush. Okay, so this is what girly look like. She is gorgeous. She is like really gorgeous. Honey. She is really cute. I love that parting right there. Of course, you can be able to pluck her out more if you want to, but I probably won't even do that because she is just so cute already. So let me just kind of like take some of this lace off. So first off, what I'm going to do is probably just go ahead on. I'm going to turn my curling irons on, and I'm going to, let's take it down to, no, we want to take it down. I'm going to take it to maybe 390. Let's take it to 390. Now, my straightening comb is on, and she's really hot, so I'm just going to just do this real quick. But, oh, careful. Okay, straightening comb is a no-no. I want you to know that that is a no-no. So, but with her, I do want it to be a little bit straighter. I don't want it to have that. You see, I like it like that. I don't like that bend. I'll show it to you in a minute. You see, this have more of a bend. This is more straight. I like the more straight look for me than the bend. Yes. She is gorgeous. Damn, she gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Yes, she is gorgeous. I really do like this wig. I think it's really put together really nice. I love Heraremy synthetic wigs. When it comes to synthetic wigs, I love them because I don't know, they different. It's not like the Kananka long. I don't know. You know how you get some synthetic wigs and the wigs be like you know, mat up on you so fast. This don't mat up on you fast, and it's like flowy and nice. And you know, I've done a lot of wig reviews from them before, and their wigs just stay for you. You know, they stay for you, and I really do like this wig. So okay, so I am going to get into the next wig, and the next wig that we have is also from Heraremy, but of course this is a longer wig, and this wig is called Brooke. She comes like this. Now I did not try Brooke on at all, and y'all can see I did not put any got to be glued, any lace wig, anything down on her. She stays, she's really close to my scalp, so I really love her. So this is what Brooke looked like, and Brooke is, I think it's a 1B30, but I will put everything down for you. And this is how she comes packaged. And I did not try Brooke on at all, y'all. If you see her, she has like some nice little waves in her. On the inside, we have the parting again, which is really small parting. We have 2 combs in the front. Two combs in the front. 1 comb in the back, and we have adjustable straps. She is cute. I have not tried her on, so I do not know what she looks like. So I'm running my fingers through her, and I'm getting just a little bit of shedding. I'm gonna go ahead on and try this one on exactly the way this is. So let's go ahead, and you see I didn't even have the combs in. I did not have anything in her, and she is gorgeous. Honey, I'll be putting you back on later on, because I have my little red stripes, y'all. So yeah, it goes with my outfit actually. So I'm gonna go ahead on, and these feel like they big hair friendly though. Okay, okay girl, how are you on? Let me see. Okay, so this is more of a middle. Oh, she's sexy. Yeah, she is really sexy. I guess you could do a middle part, but y'all, ain't nothing like a side part for real. She is tight though, but I think she is big hair for. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, she is super. Now this is my kind of wig right here, y'all. This is my kind of wig, baby. Okay, so I can see right now that Brooke really don't need a lot done with her, honey. I need to cut this lace off. This don't feel like waxy. Like, you know how some synthetic wigs feel like it's like really plasticky like? This don't feel that way. So that's a plus. And I had to wear, usually I have my partings on this side, but it seemed like I'm going to have to put it on this side because of the way that the hair is. She is gorgeous. So let me see if I can just use a straightening comb for to flatten it a little bit. Of course, you really should go in and do some plucking though. Plucking to the party and stuff like that. I'm not going to pluck her, y'all. I'm definitely not going to pluck her today, because I just don't feel like it today. But, what is this? This little hair stuff right here. And see, when you go in with her to pluck her, like to get her parting right, you're going to have to pull it. And I'm not in the mood for pulling all of this hair. It's a lot of hair you will have to pull if you decide that you want to pull her. But she is really cute. She is really cute. And of course, because I don't know if it's because I took the lace off or whatever, I am getting some hair that's coming out from her. So let me see. Actually, I'm getting a good amount of hair coming from her. Okay, so let me give it the benefit of the doubt. Let me do one little brush through and see. One brush through. She is gorgeous. Look at the texture of her. Okay. Once you brush her out, she is super soft. Oh my goodness. After I do that, I'm going to run my hands through her to see what she's going to do. The color is really cute, but I think for me, I used to wear this color like years ago. So, I'm not going to wear this color today, though. I want that TIANA wig because it's shorter. It's the bob wig. So, of course, this can get more flatter. I have braids. She can get more flatter. She's cute, though. Back, hunty. She is really cute. The only part that I just don't like, to me, the only part that I don't like is that the streaks that's like this, I don't like it because they seem really big for me. You know, maybe to somebody else, but to me, they just seem like it's just so, which become is big. So I'm going to shift her over because I really like my side parts over here. Let me see what she look like if I shift it. Okay, so I shift her over, and I think you really have to do some plucking right there, but overall she still is a cute wig, but just not for me. So I'm gonna go ahead on and stand up, that way you can see her overall look, what she looks like. This is what she looks like. She is gorgeous though. She is really gorgeous. But you just have to do some plucking. Plucking, put some concealer in, honey, and you'll be fine. I like my parts on this side, truthfully. This side right here is where I like it. I just don't like the highlights, that they're really big highlights. That's what I don't like. And once I fix that, I guess, you know, I'll be okay and good and comfortable with her. But, okay, so let me go ahead on and give you the specs. She's super soft, y'all. She is like super soft. After I combed her out, she's super soft. I'm going down and I'm not getting any tangles at all, so that's a good thing. This wig, she's cute, but she's just, if she was all black, then I would be able to, you know, but I just can't do with the big highlights. I don't like the big highlights. And then she needs some plucking up in here, but once you customize her and make her your own, honey, I think you will be okay. So they left a coupon code for you guys, and that's JBaby15 for 15% off. And I will leave all links that you need to be able to purchase these wigs if you would like to purchase them, as well as they have so many more wigs. I have tried so many wigs from them. If you would like to know some of the wigs that I have tried, go ahead on and look down in my playlist and you will see some of the Heraremy wigs that I have reviewed before. And the hair, one thing I can say is that the hair is super soft, and these wigs are long lasting. That's one thing I can say, because I do wear the Heraremy wigs. I do wear synthetic. I don't always wear human hair. I wear synthetic wigs too. So y'all know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.